is our fairy tale. They spoke about a land built not by hands but sound, where echoes leave no stand and melodies are found. Flashing light, you see.